Bali, Ashwin. Hello guys and girls and everyone. मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? मेरी आवाज़ ठीक से आ रही है? जो है उन्हीं से पूछ सकते हो। मेरी आवाज़ ठीक से आ रही है कि नहीं, पहले ये तो बता दो मुझे। Is my voice clear? सो हेलो गाइज एंड वेलकम टू मूवीज अड्डा। सबसे पहले मैं यही पूछना चाहती हूँ, मेरी आवाज़ आप लोग को आ रही है? एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू? मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है सबको? जस्ट वॉन्ट टू कन्फर्म दैट एंड उसके बाद एंड गाइज कैन समवन प्लीज़ टेल मी मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है कि नहीं? अश्विन कैन यू प्लीज़ टेल मी मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है या नहीं? Yes, okay, at least thank God someone is saying. मैं कब से पूछ रही हूँ यार. Okay, so hello guys and welcome to the movies अड्डा. हम आज इंटरव्यू करने जा रहे हैं ज़हीर इकबाल का, जिनको आपने नोटबुक में देखा था, और उनके नोटबुक को देखकर मेरा दिल क्या, मैं उन्हें लेटर्स लिख डालूँ, खत लिख डालूँ, क्योंकि मुझे तो उनसे बेपनाह मोहब्बत हो ही गई है, और आई एम श्योर और भी हज़ारों करोड़ों लोगों को। जब मैंने नोटबुक देखी थी, आई स्वेयर टू गॉड, मैं बहुत ज्यादा। हेलो,
Hello, what's up, Jyoti? How are you?
आई एम टू गुड। और आप माशाल्लाह बहुत ज्यादा फिट लग रहे हैं ऐसा।
अरे हालत खराब हो गई यार, मत पूछो। मैंने 2 दिन से डाइट शुरू किया है। मुझे लगा थोड़ा
दो
ज्यादा ही
दिन
मोटा
से
हो गया हूँ, तो मैं मर रहा हूँ यार। मुझसे डाइट नहीं हो
आप
रहा
मर रहे हो
ये
ऐसे?
हालत में।
डाइट नहीं
लॉकडाउन
हो
में
रहा है तो
डाइट नहीं
डाइट
हो
की
रहा है मेरे
जरूरत भी
से।
नहीं है।
अरे वो बहुत मोटा हो गया, फेस डबल साइज हो गया है। ये मेरा फेस का लाइन यहाँ होता था, अब यहाँ आ गया है। तो
सो
मैं क्या करूँ?
इफ यू रिमेम्बर, जब मैंने आपका नोटबुक के लिए इंटरव्यू किया था, मैंने
यस,
शुरुआत एक रिडल से की थी।
यस।
अब
आई वॉज होपिंग यू गिव
एक
मी अ रिडल टुडे।
सो अब मैं एक रिडल लेकर आ गई हूँ, और वो
जी,
कुछ ऐसा है।
जी,
जो लोग इंटरव्यू ज्वाइन कर चुके हैं वो भी इस बात का आंसर कर सकते हैं। व्हाट
जी।
5 letter वर्ड
हाँ,
becomes shorter
हाँ.
when you add 2 more letters to it?
What 5 letter word
सोचो सोचो।
becomes shorter?
When you add 2 more letters to it.
Uh, I thought the answer was little only. I was counting. uh, someone give me the
नहीं
answer.
नहीं,
Someone give me the
सवाल
answer,
में
यार.
ही जवाब, सवाल
बचपन
में
से.
ही जवाब है।
Okay, say it again. सवाल पूछो वापस.
Okay. What 5 letter word
हाँ,
becomes shorter
हाँ.
when you add 2 letters to it?
Shorter. S H O
What do you
R
say?
T E R. Shorter.
Say the answer.
The answer is shorter. The,
No.
then, then, what am I missing?
शॉर्टर बनता है कब? जब उसमें से 2 वर्ड हट जाते हैं। शॉर्टर इज द आंसर, बट यू आर समवॉट देयर। चलो मैं आंसर बता देती हूँ।
मतलब
इट्स
ER.
शॉर्ट।
हाँ.
शॉर्ट।
Short. अच्छा, the word is short. हाँ ना, मतलब shorter ना. 5, 7, adding 2 words becomes shorter.
सिंपल।
यार
सेम।
एक तो I'm so used to copying and all that and cheating. No one's giving the answer only down here.
So you were a cheater or you were a topper in school or college?
No, no, very when I used to study, I used to do really well, but I used to not enjoy studying, so I used to very conveniently cheat in exams. And
Conveniently cheat.
yeah, very. It was quite easy.
Right.
Yeah.
बट इस वक्त खाने के अलावा और जिम अब आपने शुरू कर ही दिया है, वर्कआउट के अलावा
जी.
और ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा एंटरटेन रख रही है फिलहाल दिस क्वारंटाइन फेज?
So my niece is with me at my house
Yes.
for a few days. So she's keeping me solid entertained. I have to wake up early in the morning. I have to make her brush her teeth. I have to make her get ready and then feed her food, her breakfast. That's keeping me very busy. I'm very happy. I chill with her
Right.
for at least 5-6 hours a day, and then फिर उसके I work out and all. उसका lunch का time हो जाता है, so I feed her food, and then I eat my food. So it's good fun. She's keeping me really busy. I think since she's come
Right.
3-4
So,
days, I've not seen any shows or nothing. I've been busy chilling with her only.
right. The interview has just started and so many questions already I have missed, I think. But एक question है जो मुझे भी समझ नहीं आया.
जी.
Hamza is asking, okay, would you like to cast Sia Mahajan in your next work? What is that question? In your next work?
I don't know who Sia Mahajan is. Who's Sia Mahajan?
Exactly. Even I don't.
I
I
don't
don't know
know.
that.
That's you shouldn't ask me then, yeah, because then it sounds I'm so weird because it looks so bad if she's someone who should be known. I don't know. I don't know any Sia
Exactly.
Mahajan. Yeah, but if
So
she's a
the
good
answer
actor,
is
then I hope she gets lots of films.
that was about. I was
Yeah,
about to say
yeah,
that if
yeah,
he knows her and
yeah,
ऐसा कुछ project आता है, he will
yeah.
definitely work with her.
देखो हम nepotism में तो नहीं मानते तो just because I know her, we cannot cast her. So if she's a good actor, then we will cast her. I'm
Right.
talking like I'm some
So
बड़ा casting agent.
सही अगर नोटबुक के बाद की मैं बात करूँ
जी
genuinely saying this not because I'm talking to you right now but
जी
usually मीडिया वाले कैसे होते हैं बहुत कट्टर होते हैं अगर किसी की डेब्यू फिल्म है और पसंद नहीं
yeah
आई तो नहीं आई they don't button
correct
it up
yeah
but
yeah
जब आपका जब नोटबुक जब रिलीज हुई
जी
you were
जी जी
there for the show also इंटरव्यू हुआ था
yeah
आप लोग बाहर आए थे आप और
yeah
पुनीत
yeah yeah yeah
everyone was not interested in seeing you guys they were like कि book पानी में गिर गई है मिलेगी कि
yeah
नहीं मिलेगी कैसे
yeah
मिलेगी
yeah
that was
I
the
know.
curiosity people were
But
feeling
when we were standing outside, you get out of the theater on the left hand side. You were also standing there. I think was it you who
yes
told
yes
me? Gave one journalist came and told me and apologized to me and said I'm sorry. So I said for what? I thought they were going to say कि मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. I'm going to trash this in the reviews. He said we didn't expect this only. We were
exactly
as in forget not having expectations. We expected to be a shit film. We didn't have any expectations. So I said why, and they said
exactly
because of previous films of SKF.
exactly
We had zero expectations from this one.
that was me only
That was you only, right? Yeah. See, so
that
you
was
only
me
told me
I
this.
said
That
exactly I said that beat Love Yatri
yeah,
I should not take names but that is true beat
yeah,
Love Yatri beat Hero
mm,
SKF launched 4 new
yeah,
faces
yeah,
but still
yeah.
those 2 films did so bad and everything was criticized other than the songs but
Correct,
your
correct.
film it's not
Yeah,
only me but everyone just loved the performance
yeah,
and you both did not look like
yeah.
newcomers or ki pehli film hai something like that
That's
so
so
what
sweet.
is that one thing that has changed after Notebook you feel ki changed हुआ है कुछ life में of course
Uh,
other than people knowing you
Yeah, I think nothing. Yeah, nothing as such as of now has already changed because it is not that इतने famous हो गए कि मतलब भीड़ जमा हो जाती है. So normal, when I go out, I don't realize that once in a while people come and ask for photographs wherever I go. So that's it. Other than that, I don't feel any change that happened. My family and my friends keep me very grounded. They don't let me realize कि मैं
right
hero हूँ या मैं movies में आता हूँ or shit. So they make sure I'm grounded.
right okay
So it's a
okay
good
there's
thing,
the answer
not
of
good.
your there's the answer of Sia Mahajan the answer is the nurse Rani from Kabir Singh
The nurse, Rani.
I have no idea what is this basically the person is trying to say कि Kabir Singh में वो nurse बनी थी so would you like to work with her
कौन सी नर्स? कबीर सिंह में कौन सी मतलब हमेशा जब सर्जरी कर रहा था तो 4-6 नर्स थी बाजू में मुझे क्या पता कौन कौन था
I don't know and if she wants to work with him she should talk and we will
सब
probably
सबका हाल खराब हो रहा है ये क्वारंटीन में सबके दिमाग खराब हो रहे उनको भी पता नहीं क्या सवाल पूछ
exactly
रहे भाई आप एक काम करो आप जो जवाब चाहते हो ना मुझसे मुझे लिख के दे दो मैं जवाब
लिख
बोल
दो
दूंगा
I'll
हाँ
repeat it
मैं
exactly
एक्टर हूँ मैं मस्त
but
एकदम इमोशन के साथ वो लाइन बोल दूंगा
बट जैसे हम सभी जानते हैं कि एक डेस्टिनी में था मे बी आपका एक्टर बनना और समथिंग लाइक दैट क्योंकि
जी
सलमान सर ने आपको डांस करते हुए देखा और उन्हें
हाँ जी
उनका हीरो नजर आया जहीरो में
हाँ
#जहीरो में
यस
जरिया बने
यस यस
सो इट मतलब उससे पहले आप क्या करना चाहते थे या क्या था दिमाग में दैट आई विल डू दिस और दैट
मैं 6 साल से 7 साल से कंस्ट्रक्शन कर रहा था मुझे बिजनेस करने का बहुत शौक है आई एम एन एंटरप्रेन्योर बाय एट हार्ट आई लव बिजनेस आई लव डूइंग डिफरेंट डिफरेंट बिजनेसेस मेरा उबर टैक्सी चलता है मैं छोटे छोटे 10-20 ऐसे बिजनेसेस करता हूँ और लेकिन मेरा मेन बिजनेस मैं कंस्ट्रक्शन में था मैं आई एम अ बिल्डर बाय प्रोफेशन
I don't think many people know that
Yeah, I don't think people know that, but yeah, and I still do it. So I've not left it. So whatever money comes from acting and all, I invested it again in construction only. So I'm a builder at heart. So yeah, so that's what I do. That's what I've been doing. I did for 7 8 years. I started when I was 16 because I was always like कि मुझे कॉलेज वॉलेज में मतलब मुझे तो ये नहीं सिखा रहे ना कि एक प्लान्स कैसे अप्रूव कराना है, मतलब कंस्ट्रक्शन के बारे में नहीं सिखा रहे. और मुझे तो पता है मुझे बिल्डर बनना है, तो आई हैव नो यू नो so I was always doing that only. I was in construction since I was 16 years old. I used to go to office. I used to be like, I want to work. I don't want to go to college. So I'm a full
Right.
businessman.
Okay, so Shubhajit is saying hi to you
Hi,
and to
Subhojit. Hi, Subhojit. Sorry. I need to make a video. He wants me to make a video for someone, so I have to make it. I'll make it today. I have not been in a
right.
presentable in the last 2 3 days. So today I.
But why are you saying this? You're looking very hot.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
I
But
might be
I
biased.
no,
I
as in
might be biased.
I'm my daddy is grown out. I've covered my hair and all. That's why I'm looking thoda decent. But and I had a bath just now and came before the interview. Otherwise, during the day, I wake up and I train for like 2 or 3 hours so that I'm sweaty, stinky, and until I don't have a bath, I don't feel like presenting myself anywhere.
But
Yeah.
your friend, I think Priyank Sharma has
He's not my friend. Yeah, he's my
joined and
brother.
he's
He's my
saying,
brother. He's my brother.
oh, okay.
Yeah, he's my brother. He's I love him.
Okay,
Yeah.
so talking about films, अगर मैं
Yeah.
बात करूँ इस टाइम पे क्वारंटाइन टाइम पे आप कौन सी फिल्म्स देख रहे हो? Like, are you
Uh,
binge watching web series or films?
So honestly, I saw so much of heavy stuff and I saw so many movies about viruses, and I realized that in every movie we've never paid attention to it, but every movie में कुछ ना कुछ virus, कुछ ना कुछ lockdown word या quarantine word है. Somehow the last 15 20 films I saw the word quarantine, lockdown. I'm like, yeah, those signs all along. But so
Right.
I got frustrated with all the heavy information that I was taking. So now to keep it light, I've started watching Modern Family again for the third time. I started from season one,
Okay.
episode one, and I watched that. It's light. When I'm eating, also you don't have to pay too much attention, to what's happening and stuff
Right.
like that, because otherwise all these shows and movies, when you see, so you need to
Right.
concentrate and just be there, and so I'm watching something light now. Yeah,
Right.
and I
अच्छा
watch a lot of.
कोई
I'm watching a lot of. I'm educating myself in this time. So, and by that,
educating.
by that I don't mean I'm taking some classes or workshop and all. I'm just educating myself about the phenomena that's going on right now, about the pandemic that is going on right now. You just type coronavirus on YouTube, you get 50,000 videos, matlab, related to, if you wanted to just type
Exactly.
coronavirus business, you'll get the business aspect of coronavirus, how it's affecting businesses. You type coronavirus health, you'll get that aspect. So it's just so simple now to educate yourself. I'm doing that. And I think
Right.
that's the need of the hour for everyone to educate themselves.
Right. Perception has commented, आपको गार्डन में देख के दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया. Fans are also
Uh,
very creative.
तुम्हारे मैसेजेस दिए, ही इज नॉट अ फैन, ही इज माय फ्रेंड. आधे तो मेरे फ्रेंड्स ही
Oh.
आते. He has sent me a picture today evening, setting an alarm on his phone, gave interview of Zaire, have to go and comment. He enjoys it. Like, see, now after 5 minutes he'll post, take your t-shirt off, show me your abs. He'll do all of that. Yeah.
Okay, so अगर मैं बात करूँ, जैसे आपने कहा कि you're watching Modern Family, but other than that, is there any web series other than Modern Family जिसको देखकर आपको ऐसा लगा हो कि I should go for this role or this role might suit me or something like that? If you wanted to work.
Lots of shows. Yeah, I mean, I saw recently. I saw this show. What was it called?
Money Heist.
I forgot. Money Heist, obviously. I think that's the most correct answer. I want to be. I want Money Heist to be made, and I want to be a part of that ensemble, and I want that to play one of those characters, because every single character, any one of them you pick, all are phenomenal. I think that's phenomenal
Right.
writing to have so many, like 12, 15 characters, and all have their individual standing. Like it's not that you go to. I think the last time it happened was in the show Friends, where there were six
Huh.
characters and no one could decide that this is
Exactly.
my favorite. You
Exactly.
like certain things
Everyone is
about
favorite.
Joey, you like certain things about Chandler, you like certain about Ross, but you cannot say
Right.
this is my favorite. In one episode, the other one will be your favorite. So I think after very long a show like that has come where there are so many characters, but each one is your favorite. You cannot decide.
Each one. Right. Right. Yeah, definitely understand. You should say hi to your Indonesian fans. They are saying hi Bulbao, hi Indonesia.
Thank you, Indonesia. You guys have given me so much love from the word go, from the beginning. My first fan club, Zaire FC, is made in Indonesia, originated in Indonesia, and after that, there's been so many Indonesian fan clubs. So thank you so much, yeah, for all the love that you guys have given me consistently for the last 2 years.
Right. Also, lockdown का जो अभी phase चल रहा है. Once this gets over, what's the one thing that you're going to miss about this lockdown?
Uh, I'm going to miss till day before yesterday. Actually, I'm going to miss eating the food that I was eating because for the
Food.
first 50 days, honestly, if you saw me eat now, you'll throw up. I have been eating 15 to 20 rotis each meal, huh? Not in the whole day, each meal, and I'm eating 4 meals a day. Like I was like the last meal I
Wow.
had on Sunday, my mom made baked dish for me. So I had you put on toast. So I had 7 toasts with baked dish, and uske baad I have had for dessert 7 rotis with aam ka ras. So
Wow.
my appetite is,
I'm coming.
mashallah, too good. So I will miss that because after very long, I think after 7 8 years, I've eaten guilt free. I know कि अभी
Guilt
कुछ काम
free.
वाम होगा, shoot out होगा, तो I will have time. I will have 1 month uh,
Right.
to, and I really genuinely believe that lockdown is not, things aren't going to become normal and shoots aren't going to start for a very long time, for a very very long time. So and this is a informed feeling. It's not ऐसे हवा में मुझे ऐसा लगता है. It is an informed decision where I feel that it's going to take very long for shootings to start.
Right. Also, जिस तरीके से आपने अभी बोला कि this thing is going to take. I think everyone feels that. सबको
Yeah,
मेरे
yeah,
को अंदर से पता
yeah,
ही है
yeah,
that is this not going to end so
yeah,
soon.
yeah.
So, is there anything that makes you feel थोड़ा सा negative, थोड़ा सा डर लगना या nervous feel होना that सब ठीक होगा भी या नहीं ठीक होगा? So, how do you
On,
overcome these kind of thoughts?
honestly, more than I don't feel these thoughts of fear and all, कि अरे क्या होगा and all that. I just feel very very bad for the people who are less fortunate because I'm so aware of the people who are less fortunate that the thought of me complaining doesn't come on me at all. There are people who are don't have food to eat. Yeah, like that is,
Exactly.
and that is just terribly sad that there are thousands and thousands of people who don't have food to eat. You know,
Exactly.
because in a normal age, in a normal time, also कि एक गरीब रास्ते पे भी चल रहा है तो वो कुछ खाने का कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाएगा. But right now, there are people who are sitting helpless कि खाना नहीं है, नहीं मिल रहा है, कुछ नहीं है जुगाड़. So that's terrible thing. So yeah, so that thought is, it just scares me, yeah. Because things are going to get worse. I feel because and एक तो Indians ना यार so stupid यार.
I swear.
Like yesterday, what happened? Yeah, the alcohol shops
बहुत lick.
down my lane.
Right.
भाई तुमको पीना है, तुमको तुम्हारी प्यास बुझानी है, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मत पियो, पियो शांति से करो ना यार. But in the government, I'm so irritated that what are they doing? Why is the government? Why would they start out of all the businesses in the country? They're starting wine shops. Okay, chalo, you do that
Wine
also,
shops.
but start delivery ना. कि वन मैन
Delivery.
गोल्स
Exactly.
कि तुम्हारे को तुम ऑर्डर दे दो फोन पे, तुम्हारा विद इन 8 to 10 आवर्स या 24 आवर्स में तुम्हारा दारू घर पे पहुंच जाएगा. 20 दिन
Right.
2 महीने तुमने सारा कर लिया. And why you opening these shops and everyone is jumping on each other? क्या फायदा? So yesterday the cases were I think 2,540 or something, the number of cases in
Exactly.
India. Let's see now. Today we'll check the
And the
numbers.
amount
कितना हुआ होगा?
they have collected
Yeah.
from Uttar Pradesh, it is 200 crores.
Yeah,
Not even
in
a film can do it in one day.
Karnataka was 45 crores
45
of
crores.
sales.
Oh
Yeah,
God, it's unbelievable.
so all
And
for
अगर
excise
एक चीज
duty.
आप बोल दो
But again,
demonetization
this
के
is
time
all.
पे
This is all I don't understand. Like as far as my knowledge goes, I don't know if I should say this out loud or not. But it's the issue of the like. It seems like a war going on between the central government and the state government because
exactly.
alcohol generates excise duty, right? Excise duty is
Hmm.
for state government.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the central government is not sending money to the state government to run the state. So state government said, ठीक है,
Exactly.
चलो to prove a point. We'll show
liquor
you.
shops
It
full.
could be that. It could be. It
Right.
could be that. I'm not saying that it is. It could be that.
Exactly.
But it's a sad state of affairs if that is happening. Because I was talking to someone, and we were just discussing why would they start this wine shops, and then this person told me this, and I was like, yeah, it makes sense that because 15 to 25% of a lot of states' revenue comes from excise duty. So
Exactly.
you have to do this. You know what the mess is going to create here. For alcohol, people are
Exactly.
jumping. My lane here. Educated people are standing in line for 2 3 hours to buy alcohol. Very sad.
Educated people are doing that, and also yesterday मेरे घर के नीचे जो लेन है
Yeah.
JCB की खुदाई was going on there, and 35 people were standing just to see that too not even from the balconies. They were getting down and seeing that, so it just you can't even comment on
It defeats the whole purpose.
what
You
to
stayed
say.
home for 2 months, and now it's pointless. So the only thing
Exactly.
worse than staying home for 2 months is being staying home for 2 months and it being pointless for no reason.
And this was happening, the people were seeing the JCB doing all his work, that too when my area is in the red zone. It's not even orange, it's not even green, it's
But
in
I
the
think
red zone.
most parts of Maharashtra are in red zone, right?
Red zone, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So you
It's
just cannot
sad.
जो कहावत है ना कि लातों के भूत बातों से नहीं मानते, वो अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है लातों से भी नहीं मानेंगे. They
That's
just
the
have to do what they
Yeah,
want.
matlab it's
You cannot change them.
Modi, the Prime Minister says that it's ridiculous that he has said come and just clap and appreciate the warriors of our country. That you couldn't understand that one simple statement, come and clap at the window to thank the warriors. You have manipulated that and made it into what you have
Garba
understood from that
sessions.
statement is that you will come on the roads and celebrate as if the corona is gone. Like how dull are you, bro? Sad.
And that
Very
too,
sad.
in Gujarat, people were doing Garba, and there were 80 to 90 people just gathering together doing Garba. It just
Exactly.
feels very
Exactly.
worthless.
Exactly.
It feels like you have to go घर घर जाकर आपको सबके सामने बताना पड़ेगा कि घर से बाहर नहीं आना है, घर पे ही रह के दीप जलाना है. That
Exactly.
when that deep session was going on, so many people were, they were bursting crackers
Yeah.
on roads, going out on roads and bursting crackers for no reason.
Yeah.
So you
Boy,
just can't do anything with
I get
these
really,
random.
I feel like,
I
anxious
know
about
that feeling.
like I feel so helpless. I can't do anything about it, And I'm like कि मैं बैठा हूँ चुपचाप घर पे यार 2 महीने से मुझे भी बाहर जाना है यार. And I want to confirm one thing. I want to check. I'm not sure if it's true or not. But apparently, only one person is allowed to buy one bottle. Can't buy more than that.
I have
Apparently,
no idea about this.
apparently in some
But I've
states.
seen images of people taking cartons, literally
Yeah.
like this, taking
So
cartons and going.
I heard that apparently some states may one person can buy only one bottle. So people took four people with them. मुझे 4 बॉटल चाहिए तो तू 3 और लोग को साथ में लेके. Like, I hope that's not true. I hope that's not true.
I hope so that's
Yeah.
not true. But now shifting the focus to seeing the broader picture. हम घर के अंदर हैं लेकिन घर के बाहर की चीजें हो रही है. In Mumbai was never thought कि
Yeah.
हमें जिंदगी में कभी पीकॉक रास्ते पे देखने को मिलेगा,
Absolutely.
डॉल्फिन्स मरीन लाइंस
Yeah.
पे देखने को मिलेगा.
Yeah.
So what is your take on that? The nature is healing.
कि मेरे भाई एक बार हील हो गया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम और जोर से बैंड बजाओ. शांत हो जाओ
Exactly.
थोड़ा आराम से. You see that and be like wow, the city can be like this and try
Exactly.
to maintain that. Don't be like, oh wow, city is back to normal, the earth has rebooted,
We can go and destroy it.
let's start screwing it up again. Yeah, so I just hope that people take care of shit.
Exactly. Also talking about आप अपना पूरा दिन कैसे बिताते हैं? You said कि आप अपनी niece के साथ बहुत सारा time spend करते हैं. Other
Yeah,
than that, watching web series. Are you working out right now? Of course, you said you're working out.
Honestly,
But,
today
what are the
now
other things?
in the last 2 days I've changed my whole routine from just sitting and watching shows and eating and stuff. I've switched it to I wake up in the morning, I spend some time with my niece for an hour and a half and just make her like get ready and stuff like that. I then go down and train. I do functional training for an hour and a half on video call with my trainer Rakesh. After that, I go home, I change and stuff, and I come down and sit in my building. I've lugged out 4 chairs and I've lugged out a table. So everyone who comes down for a walk from my building, my friends, they sit with me. We all sit for like half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour. So till evening, I do this. I do my live and all that. I go up, I eat one meal, because I'm doing intermittent fasting, and I go back to the gym at 8:30. I do weight training because the gym in my building on the fifth floor. I do weight
Right.
training over there. I come home, eat one last meal, and I go to sleep. And I'm very happy
Wow.
with my
So
routine
that's
now. I feel like it's got some sanity into me, some
right.
purpose in what I'm
So
doing.
you just said about intermittent fasting. Does this really help
I
about
don't know. Yeah.
losing the
I
weight?
never, I never tell anyone to do any particular fast or not. I think everyone has to try their own
Hmm.
stuff. I'm trying intermittent
Right.
for the first time. I've never done intermittent
Hmm.
fasting before. I'm seeing how my body reacts to it. So maybe it suits me. And if it suits me also, if I manage to lose my fat percentage with that, I will not recommend it to anyone else. I will,
Exactly, because every body is different.
I will say, you try it. If it suits you, then do it. It's not a short thing that
Exactly.
every diet that suits me will suit everyone else. It's a
Right.
hit and miss. You
Also,
need to do trial and error.
right.
Yeah.
Talking about films, what are the next projects that are you going to start after the lockdown gets over?
So there is a web show, a very nice one. It's in a comedy space, and I have two films which were in talks. I mean, yeah, one was done, and one more was we're figuring out the deals and stuff like that on
Right.
paper, how it's going to work out. But yeah, so that's what's happening. And then right now I'm talking to a lot of people. I'm trying to figure. I've actually I've gotten I'm getting a script written myself. So I
Wow.
have, yeah. So there's a very senior director. I won't name right now, but he had this one idea, and we was talking and brainstorming and stuff like that. And I said it's fantastic, and I would love to do a film like this, play a character like
Right.
this. So we have hired a writer, and has started writing the film. So we're getting a film written.
Right.
I'm being proactive.
Sammy Cruz is asking, have you auditioned for any film?
Yeah, yeah. I go for
Have you
auditions.
given auditions?
Yeah. So there are a couple of shows, movies, and shows that I wanted to do. So I got in touch with the producers, and they said that they've already casted for it. But I said, and they were like, no, yeah, we were thinking of this one, that one. I said, sir, just audition me, na. Kya jayega? Please. And they were obviously
Exactly.
nice enough to audition me. But I think they were already confirmed. They had already confirmed someone else. But I was like, नहीं नहीं मुझे करना है. I just want to audition for this stuff. So yeah, so I audition.
Right.
I have no this like अभी मैं हीरो हूँ मुझे पिक्चर ऑफर होती है फिर भी मैं ऑडिशन क्यों करूँ? If you want something, you got to go get it. Yeah. Yeah.
Right. Also,
Yeah.
awareness create करने के लिए Zahid क्या हाल भाई?
Vardhan
Vardhan
Puri, I love you, bro.
is
I
asking.
love you. Happy belated birthday. We have to do a live. I'm calling you after this. We'll do a live session. We'll chill for a bit. We'll do solid masti on
Okay.
live.
So, I forgot my question. Yeah, I was asking Salman sir ने गाना बनाया प्यार करो ना, just to
Yes.
spread awareness, and
Yes.
he also
Yes.
spoke about all the things that people are doing, going
Yeah.
out of the house for
Yeah. Yeah.
prayers and
Yeah. Yeah.
namaz padne ke liye people are
Yeah.
going
Yeah.
out. So, what do you
Yeah.
have to say about that song? And of
Uh,
course about
about that
Salman.
song, I think it's fantastic, and it's great that a person like Salman Khan has made that song and made a video. To put that effort and do that, to make a whole video and stuff like that, and sing the song
Right.
and sit and write that, pen that down, because I think he also is aware that people do follow him blindly, and it's important when a person like that people look up to, an idol, says something like this in these important times. This needs to
Right.
penetrate through the brains of the people. So,
Right.
yeah, I'm glad he made that song.
Right. Also, ये question मेरे दिमाग में आया था तब मैं अब पूछ रही हूँ. When it comes to web series or televisions, do
Yeah.
you feel that right now is the best time for actors or for artists or for singers, everyone, just to boom out, because there are so many platforms, including OTT
Just to
platforms,
what? Zoom out.
televisions, and to boom
Boom.
actually.
Ah, yeah, of course,
Just
absolutely.
yeah,
Absolutely. I think now
because there are so many OTT platforms doing well.
yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. But I think this is the last 2 years. It's been like that OTT is the next big thing here, because
Yeah.
you can make whatever content you want. You can make different stuff like that. You don't have to worry about box office, and
Hmm.
it has to be commercial because we need that kind of box office. So it works in favor for everyone. If for
Right.
Netflix and Amazon or Hotstar, they buy your shows, it's great. You can make something dil khol ke. Otherwise, as a
Exactly.
director, in when you're doing a theatrical release, you have to डर के do it कि अरे यार ये मैं बोल दूंगा तो ये रिलीज नहीं होने देंगे, ये कोई भी
Exactly.
पार्टी खड़ी हो जाएगी, और
That's true.
all these issues and you want to make a film about sensitive topics, no? You
Exactly.
whatever's going on in your mind, whatever your perception is of the director, of the actors, whatever the producers, they want to make that. That's their perception. You cannot
Right.
stop anyone. But that's what happens in our country, that you can stop actually someone. So I think Netflix is great. There are a lot of there's one show that we are pitching to Netflix and Amazon and stuff, where I read the script and I was like, "Bhai, ye to it's a fantastic script. I really want to do this character, but this will release नहीं होने देंगे ये, you know, because you have to show every aspect in a particular light. You cannot give your perception or your view of whatever information you've got or whatever research you've done. You have to do it in that
Right.
way only. So that's why we moved to कि इसको digital पे release करो. It's a film.
Right.
So
क्योंकि पहले
yeah, it's great.
पहले ऐसा होता था बिकॉज जो जितने भी फॉरेन शोज हैं, जितने भी बाहर
Yeah.
के शोज हैं, वेब सीरीज हैं, those were highly appreciated. Indian content now, I think it's evolving because
Yeah.
now Indian directors are taking a risk, you can call it risk or whatever, on OTT platforms, not on films, but on OTT platforms.
It's not a risk. I'll tell you, to be honest, you on OTT platforms you can be more truer to a character. That's what I believe.
Right.
I believe
Right.
that if today you have say a a villain who
Right.
बस भलता बोलता है, मतलब जुबान खराब है उसकी,
Hmm.
you know,
Hmm.
he has a bad language, he abuses
Yeah.
people, he's very
Right.
crude and he's disrespects women. You cannot show that in a theatrical release.
It'll
You
be
get censored, this, that, everything. So you cannot, you can do that only on OTT platforms. You can do justice to the character because when you're showing you want people to hate that person. He's the villain.
Right.
He's a terrible person. You're not saying it that he's a good person. You're saying he's a terrible person and I want you to hate him. You can
Right.
make him like that only on OTT.
Right.
You know? So which you cannot do in theatrical because you'll be like, नहीं यार, अरे ये कैसे कर सकते हैं, and how can you disrespect a woman? You're not saying disrespect. When in a film it becomes like that कि, oh, you're saying disrespecting women is fine. We are not saying disrespecting women are fine, but we know that it
Just showing the
exists.
character.
There is a character. This is a character who disrespects women. That's it. That's the character. ऐसा आदमी है.
Right.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं ऐसा हूँ या तुम्हें ऐसा होना चाहिए या ऐसा होना ठीक है.
Right.
मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि
Right.
ऐसा एक कैरेक्टर है and he is an asshole. I hate him and you should also hate him. You can do that
Right.
only on OTT. So I think that's why
Because आजकल,
everyone's
लोग-
switching to OTT.
राइट, बिकॉज आजकल लोग फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन का बहुत ज्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं हर जगह पर.
Yeah.
Social media is one
Yeah.
of that
Yeah.
only. जब जी में जो आया वो बोल सकते हैं.
Yeah.
बट
Yeah.
नॉट टेकिंग टू मच ऑफ योर टाइम.
Yes.
अगर मैं पूछना चाहूँ, जैसे आपने कहा बहुत सारी ऑलरेडी चीजें पाइपलाइन में है,
Yes.
उसके अलावा अगर यहाँ पे किसी ने एक सवाल भी पूछा है, आर यू नॉट गोइंग टू डू मूवीज एनीमोर? आई डोंट नो व्हेन ही सेड दैट.
No, I
ही
didn't.
सेड कि एक वेब सीरीज में आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क, बट
यार देखो, अब मैं सुनो, मैं
See?
तुम्हारे लिए क्लैरिफाई करता हूँ. तुम जो भी हो, जहां से भी आए हो, मैं तुम्हें क्लैरिफिकेशन देता हूँ. देखो सिंपल है, पूछ लो जवाब मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, लाइफ में ऐसा करना.
Right.
कभी कोई डाउट हो, सवाल पूछ लो, जवाब मिल जाएगा. नहीं मिला फिर देखो, वापस ट्राई करो, शायद तभी जवाब मिल ले.
फिर मिलेगा जवाब.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि सर्टेन कैरेक्टर्स है, जैसे अगर नोटबुक में जो मेरा कैरेक्टर है बहुत ही अच्छा कैरेक्टर था, उसमें एक्शन था, उसमें रोमांस था, कॉमेडी था, ड्रामा था, हर चीजें थी, लेकिन वो कैरेक्टर्स और थिंग यू कैन पुट इन अ मूवी, so then we made into a movie. If it was about something where there's a character who abuses a lot, who is very crazy, with a lot of character like that in the show, then we'll put it on OTT. ये मैंने कहा है.
Right.
मुझे पिक्चरें करनी है भाई, मुझे जो पिक्चरें देगा मैं करूंगा, मुझे पिक्चरें करनी है. ठीक है.
Exactly.
और मैं ये
I-
कॉल मेरा भी नहीं है. अगर कोई डायरेक्टर आगे बोलता है कि भाई ये कैरेक्टर है, मुझे कैरेक्टर पसंद आ गया और मुझे भी लगता है कि OTT होना चाहिए, मैं कर लूंगा. फिर भाई आपकी मर्जी, आप रिलीज करो. वो थिएटर में डालना है, थिएटर में डालो.
Exactly.
मुझे एक्टिंग से मतलब है, मैं एक्टर हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग करता हूँ. आप देख रहे हो, मैं अभी भी इतना, मैं हाथ वाथ, मतलब मैं आई एम वेरी ड्रामेटिक, सो आई लव ड्रामा,
Expressive.
आई एम एक्सप्रेसिव, आई विल डू दिस. ओके, इट्स माय जॉब. Clear?
Right. क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर डजंट मैटर, क्लियर कर लो अपने आप को। ये इंटरव्यू जब अपलोड होगा तो वापस सुन लेना।
It's really
सही,
possible
जब
someone else
नोटबुक
will say
रिलीज
now कि सर
जब नोटबुक
बिल्कुल
रिलीज हुई थी,
जी सॉरी सॉरी हाँ
उस वक्त जब नोटबुक रिलीज हुई थी,
जी
सो ऑफ कोर्स क्योंकि ये उन फिल्मों में से थी जिसको क्रिटिकली अक्लेम भी मिला, यू नो
जी
रिकग्निशन भी
जी
मिला,
जी
क्रिटिक्स ने पसंद किया द
जी
काइंड ऑफ स्टोरी इट वाज। सो
जी
एनी कमेंट और एनी यू नो स्टेटमेंट या कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो आपको अब तक याद हो कि अच्छा ऐसा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मुझे इस फिल्म के बाद मिला, जो आपके दिल में बैठ गया हो? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स तो बहुत मिले होंगे,
from critics
एनी
only
वन
or from critics only or from anyone?
from in general, from either family,
So
friends, or
I've
fans,
touched
or
wood. I've got
media.
great compliments. But I think I don't know why this one keeps popping into my head first when someone says the word compliment. Is what Sohail Bhai told me. He just after the film he met me down after screening, and he told me he's like, you know, the last so many years I've seen so many actors. Their new the first film or their 10th film, you can
Right.
always tell that this actor has this person's hangover. मतलब ये थोड़ा इससे इंस्पायर्ड है या
Influence, हाँ.
इन्फ्लुएंस्ड है whatever
Hmm.
inspired है
Hmm.
but he's like I know you personally and I'm so happy
Right.
that forget seeing any other actor I didn't even see Zahir on screen. He's like the
Exactly.
whole
ऐसी
film
कबीर सर.
he's like a whole film I was waiting के I will be able to pinpoint कि अच्छा हाँ देखो ये सीन में Zahir you know तूने ये सीन में you were yourself तूने वो एक तेरा डाल दिया. He said
Right.
that's amazing that you have gone so into depth of this character where you can't see Zahir only at all. And I think that's the great, and that's why I'm such a big fan of like Ranveer Singh and all. You know, all these actors
Right.
when they play a character like Ranveer, he is you can't see Ranveer in Simba. You know,
Exactly.
like Simba is also a slightly happier and extrovert and
Right.
extrovert person,
Loud
but
kind
that
of.
doesn't loud
Yeah.
person, but that doesn't mean he's Ranveer Singh. You know, he's not played the
Right.
loud also like Ranveer Singh loud, which I think is
Right.
phenomenal to play a character like that. You know, I wanted to be like that. When anyone sees my film, they should be like, "Hey, यार, हर पिक्चर में अलग है तो Zahir, I want to see his interviews to see how he really is."
Exactly. That is
Yeah,
what people love about you, because that's what
yeah,
we saw also when we
yeah.
were seeing the movie. We
Thank
liked
you.
Kabir sir, and I was about to say Kabir Singh.
Yeah,
It's Kabir sir.
yeah.
We loved Kabir sir.
बॉक्स
So
ऑफिस से ये होता है
ending.
देखो फर्क है
So जैसे ही अभी यू नो इंटरव्यू हमने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली,
जी
एक रिडल और मैं आपसे पूछना
जी
चाहूंगी जो मैंने
जी
बना के रखा था.
जी
So let me ask this also.
जी
Which letter of the alphabet has the most amount of water?
which which
Letter of the alphabet.
हाँ
Which letter of the alphabet
हाँ
has the most amount of water?
T
No.
like susu
Similar.
हाँ A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P U V W no
You said T.
P for parrot
P. You said P.
हाँ but T also
No.
is there T
No. You just said it and you crossed the answer while saying it.
P A B C D E F T no what is it
C. See, someone has
oh
written it
C
also.
अरे यार C अरे last time no one gave answer so I didn't look down also this time
Nupur.
Nupur?
Nupur ने लिखा है C.
ah C yes
Okay, so
C
I have a very bad one,
हाँ
and it's the last one. So I'm
yes
gonna ask this:
yes
why would a man living in New York,
hmm.
okay, why would a man living in New York not be buried in Chicago? ये तो मैंने पढ़ा, मुझे भी नहीं समझा.
Why would a man born in New York be buried in Chicago?
Yeah, why would a man living in New York
हाँ.
not be buried in Chicago?
Not be buried in Chicago because
Yeah.
I don't know. Shit, I'm gonna feel so bad when you tell me the answer. Na, I hate when I don't get riddles because then I'll be like, "Yeah, answer. How could I not think of it?" I love riddles, by the way. What person? I don't know.
Okay, I'm just going to ask the question once more.
हाँ.
Why would a person living in New York not be buried in Chicago?
Firstly, because he lives in New York. Like, if I were to go somewhere to Chicago to get buried,
No, the
I think
answer
that's.
is
I
because
think
he's
that.
still alive.
Arey yaar. I was thinking.
That's the thing about
It is.
that's
Yeah.
the thing
That.
about
Yeah. I
aliens.
assume that he's dead. So it wasn't was
Exactly.
living in New York. Why was a
No,
person who is
it
living in New
wasn't
York?
was.
Oh, that's great. Okay,
Yes.
that is and was. Wow, lovely. I'm going to use
So
this. I'm going to
on
use this
that
today only on
note,
10 people.
so on that note, I again tricked you in these riddles. I hope
Yes.
जब आपके films आए, I get have an interview session के लिए और मैं इसी
Anytime.
तरह की
Anytime.
videos लेकर आती रहूँ.
Anytime.
So जाते जाते fans को क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे और क्या message देना चाहेंगे? I'm also a fan by the way. Other than
Thank you. Thank you so much, ज्योति. मैं सिर्फ यही बोलना चाहूंगा भाई घर पे रहो, हार मत जाओ. सिंपल बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बातें तुम्हें समझ में आती नहीं है, तो सिंपल है. घर पे रहो, बाहर मत जाओ. Stay home, out, don't go. Okay? That's all I want to say. That's all I want to say.
तो इशारों में भी बता सकते, क्या पता कुछ लोग को शायद समझ में ना आता हो
हाँ,
सुन
अगर
के.
आप बहरे हो तो ये देख लो. आओ. Sit where you are, stay there. Okay? Don't go anywhere.
Exactly.
Yeah.
जितनी जल्दी बाहर जाना है उतना ज्यादा घर के अंदर रहो. जितना अंदर रहोगे उतनी जल्दी बाहर निकल पाओगे. ये समझो इस बात को. एंड थैंक यू सो मच ज़हीर फॉर टेकिंग आउट टाइम. मैंने मुझे लगा नहीं था कि आप मतलब मुझे लगा ऐसे आप मना ना कर देंगे, बट आई एम सो ग्लैड कि आपने टाइम निकाला.
Never, anytime.
And I hope you enjoyed the interview session. I didn't make it boring.
I had a blast. It was a blast. After very long, I've spoken so much in interview. I loved it.
Thank you so much for talking to me and our
Thank
channel.
you.
And all your fans really love you. And I just hope जैसे लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा, we get to see you shoot. हमें pics मिले हो, ज़हीर इकबाल shooting here, ज़हीर shooting there, ये वो. And मैं हर खबर को सबसे पहले जनता तक पहुंचा दूंगी.
Thank you so much, Jyoti.
Thank you so much for talking to us and take care. Bye.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. So guys, बहुत धूप आ रही है by the way, but yeah, this was ज़हीर इकबाल, हम सभी के फेवरेट. See, genuinely saying, मैं ज़हीर से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. मुझे वो बहुत 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 पसंद है और आई होप उनकी जल्द से जल्द फिल्म आए. सो गाइज, मुझे आप सबको फटाफट ये बताना है कि इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, जी हाँ, यहाँ पर जिस चैनल पर आप ये देख रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू follow that Instagram. Do not forget to follow this Instagram, and also you can go and follow me. My Instagram handle being Jyoti Nahak 7. I'm repeating it. Being Jyoti Nahak 7. Shubhajit is saying sunshine on your face because madam you glow. Is it because of the sunshine? Yeah, maybe because of the sunshine I'm glowing. But other than that, Sunil is saying I'm a big fan of you. I hope you're not saying this to me. You're saying this to ज़हीर. I will transfer the message. But okay, bye guys, and you can follow our Instagram channel Movies Adda, and also you can follow my Instagram handle being Jyoti Nahak 7 for more interviews like this. आप किस एक्टर को इंटरव्यू में देखना चाहते हो, ये आप हमें बता सकते हो. And Sammy Cruz is saying Jyoti, you were very good. Thank you so much. And again, I'm saying you can go and follow us on Movies Adda. Right now, you're watching me on Movies Adda, and you can go and follow being Jyoti Nahak 7. Do not forget. Live जारी है, फटाफट बोल रही हूँ मैं. Okay, let me read 1 or 2 comments. Shubhajit is saying you glow anyway. Bye. यहाँ pay and hey WhatsApp pay. Yes, catch me on WhatsApp. And okay, guys, take care and. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for answering the questions and participating in the riddle game. And I'm sure अभी कल भी मैं बहुत सारे interviews लेकर आने वाली हूँ. So stay tuned. And okay, now tata, bye bye. Take care. घर के अंदर रहो, घर के बाहर मत जाओ. और जितनी जल्दी बाहर जाना है उतना ज्यादा घर के अंदर रहना पड़ेगा. I hope whatever I said makes sense. Yeah, take care. Bye. Tata और तकिया.